thinking so deeply. Welcome back to the channel. We are here today at International Golf Links, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We are doing a 3-hole 1v2. They're gonna scramble versus me. Playing for the Blues today. Straight up scramble versus 1. Par 3, a 5, and a 4. Yeah, let's see what happens, boys.
Oh, never mind. I'll go right at the hole.
Oh my god, I love it.
Oh, just in the sand. You got Tuck up here, first video appearance. See if he could cold shank it for us. He can.
Skip. I'm in. I'm live.
You're in play.
I'm in play.
Leaking right.
Good down. He found it though.
That'll work.
Beautiful bridge to what appears to be an island green. Beauty. That's what Kenny's looking at. I don't know if you've seen my sweat, but it is hot as fuck out. See if Kenny can hit. He's been kind of a sand weapon today. Not a bad shot. Got about 20 feet down the hill. Tuck, what do we think? You think you get closer than that?
I think I'm gonna hit right here and roll the fuck back. That's what I think.
Honestly,
That's exactly
that's
what
probably
I
the
wanted to
DraftKings odds.
Yeah. Oh.
Really good shot. It's a shame that he grounded his club, but we're not going to count that.
Jared's birdie look.
Wouldn't hate to make it. That's what I think.
It's a good putt though.
How's it behind the hole?
It's too bad we're gonna have to see that one.
Yeah, the boys got about, say, 15 feet up the hill. Yeah, they need this to tie the hole for par. For a par. Tuck looks like he's thinking so deeply. Tuck?
Yeah, I heard himself. He keeps thinking like
Tuck coming off a little birdie last hole. No chance he makes another long putt. There isn't a chicken dick's chance.
Tuck, you fucking idiot. Fuck.
After one hole, up one, we're gonna call a spade a spade. I'm sweating my fucking balls off, and I'm sure you're seeing my ass sweat, so beautiful.
that. Oh, and he stripes it.
Good god,
Beautiful.
dude.
That's exactly where I want to hit it.
Beautiful.
Didn't go far, but it's straight.
The fuck, man?
Dude, that's the first pull you've had right in the splash. Oh! You carried it all.
Is that kick? Is it left?
No. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty wide fairway. It just happens to be a shit ton of water and a shit ton of bunkers. But otherwise, it's wide open.
Just don't think about the water.
I think you got all the shanks out anyway, so you should be good.
What water?
Get over, you fuck.
Took that one off the chin.
How are we feeling here, Tuck? We just he just went into the water. I just shanked it into somebody's backyard. What are we thinking here?
I'm thinking we gotta figure it out.
Well, I think you should stop thinking because you're gonna hurt yourself. All right, so let's go find this ball and hit it.
All right, we got a drop zone here.
Could not.
Boys
find
are
that
hitting
ball.
their third.
There you go.
Should be up by that 150. Yep. Perfect. I think it's like 90, like 4. Real feel like 103. A like would go a long way right about now for this video. A little thin, but she'll work.
Go play.
She's running like she stole something. That's a shame. Alright. Got 235 yards with wind in the face pile 243, 245. If I could find a green here, that would be most excellent. Oh, that's leaking. How is
Alright.
everything fucking leaking?
Bunker, right?
Inside bunker. It's so hot, so everything is freaking leaking. Like, I can barely hold my club. So, not that I'm putting excuses in play. Those are the excuses. If you're at this point, subscribe to the channel, like the video. The boys in the back love it.
Pitching wedge in hand. See if we can stick this one close.
Would love to see an up and down for the boys. It's a little bit thick.
Pretty short. Oh, it's on.
Oh, it's on.
So blurry. Fuck. You could barely tell what color your pants are. Oh, no, that's a good one. The sun hit the ass nicely. Because exactly the same.
Kid's fucking sweating, dude.
See if this guy can hit a green.
Better chance of winning the fucking lottery.
Okay, that might.
I might need to settle.
Sit. Sit.
Stop running.
Sit.
Oh, no.
No, yeah, keep going.
It-
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Alright, this is Jared's lie in the bunker. Not very good course maintenance going on here, but
A little rainy. Yeah, this would feel good to get up and down.
and it's
I just
pretty
skull fucked that
long
shit.
just off the back.
Dude, I tried bouncing in the sand and it just was rock fucking hard. The boys got about 50 feet up the hill. Got about 50 feet down the hill, maybe 40. 2 putts would be sweet. 1 putts would be lottery tickets. Like, I can barely even see you. It looks like you're like 80 yards away.
Basically a par 3. Great.
Got about 6 feet from there. Tuck's been known to roll a couple in, so that ain't good though, let me tell you. See what this beauty could do. Did not leave it short. It's a pretty good run. It's like 4 feet. Not too shabby.
Alright, we got Jared just off the back of the green here.
Be a great birdie.
Yeah, it would be a great birdie.
Sit, sit.
Oh, you hammered it.
What?
Where's it going?
Narnia.
How does that not break
That-
right off the hill?
Dude, that didn't break at all.
Nope.
I mean,
Jared is back up.
I'm making it so hard myself. This would be a fucking hell of a par, but guess we'll see.
Go, go.
Oh, left it
Shoot
short.
the putt, you little fucking fairy.
Oh.
Alright, after that fucking embarrassing performance by me, you have this for 5?
6, 6.
Oh, you have this to tie. So the match is over if you don't make this.
Fuck. Can we make a putt?
Yeah.
What are you saying? I had nothing.
I almost made that, hit the lip.
That shit.
Tuck, it's all on you, mon frere.
Fuck.
Tuck looks so wet.
Put in the shower.
not our greatest performance all around. It's really hot. That's our excuse we're gonna go with. We're battling the elements. The boys unfortunately lost that one, but there will be more videos to come, and stay tuned.
Not happy with that one.
No, not happy.
Like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.